Are you about to spend $10,000 to $20,000 or more on a 48-inch professional range? Hold on, you might be making a huge mistake. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the top 48-inch pro range brands for 2025. You'll learn the key features, pros, and cons of these ranges so you can make the absolute best decision for how you like to cook. Let's just start with Wolf. Their all-gas range features powerful infrared grilling and griddling. Their grill hits 16,000 BTU while the griddle reaches 15,000. Infrared is a more directed heat than all gas. In fact, the sear burners on the expensive professional outside grills are all infrared. Now, their all-gas burners only max out at 15,000 BTU, which is the least on this list. But Wolf really excels at simmering, maintaining a steady 340-degree simmer on every burner. There are no guided cooking programs with the all-gas model, and it lacks a self-cleaning feature. Now, the dual fuel, that's where things get interesting for Wolf and way better. The cooktop has multiple 20,000 and 18,000 BTU burners, plus it offers a French top option. It's like a griddle, but you can cook multiple items at different temperatures at once. The dual fuel model also includes Wolf Gourmet, their guided cooking program. Select your food, desired doneness, and arrange its time and temperature, even suggesting the best rack position. It also offers 50 automatic recipes. Only the Miele Master Chef is competitive with the Wolf Gourmet. Smart features: the dual fuel range, like many others on this list, includes Wi-Fi, allowing you to control your range through an app on your phone. Dual fuel utilizes the VertiFlow conduction system with twin fans and twin heating system in two heating elements for even baking. Also has a touchscreen control panel. Remember, the all-gas model lacks self-cleaning and has lower BTU outputs compared to the dual fuel and most other ranges. You can also now buy Wolf in the dual fuel in black and white, two more colors than most on this list, but 998 fewer than the next one. BlueStar offers 4 different gas range series in 48-inch and 1 dual fuel option, with 1,000 colors to choose for a unique look in your kitchen. It has the most output and cooktop configurations to choose from of any brand on this list. Their latest dual fuel range has 4 25,000 BTU, 4 18,000 BTU sealed X8 burners, with a griddle option for the highest output you can buy. It also includes a 7-inch LCD screen with 8 cooking modes and is the only BlueStar with self-cleaning. BlueStar's all-gas Platinum series has burners with 25,000 BTU and 22,000 BTU, as well as 18,000 on the rear burners. Along with SKS, BlueStar is the only gas range offering the more even pure convection, which is heat blown in from the back for more even baking. The R&B series is a still powerful 22,000 BTU max, dropping to 15,000 BTU, but offers grill, griddle, and French top options, unlike the Platinum, and has just regular convection instead of the pure convection. However, it does have limitations with no smart functionality on any series and not even a clock and timer on the all-gas models. BlueStar also has a regular grill and griddle instead of the better directed heat of infrared, like some of the other brands. In all gas, the burners are not sealed, which can be good because you can detach the grates and cooktop components and clean them at the sink, but if you spill a lot, you have to clean under the burners, unlike a sealed burner. But if you want cleanability and technology, look at this next range. Miele only offers dual fuel and is easy to clean. The grates can be placed in your dishwasher while the racks can be left in the oven during their self-cleaning mode. And Miele allows you to use technology to cook better. Their Master Chef control system allows you to select the food type and weight, and the oven calculates the proper time and temperature, like the Wolf Gourmet. However, the ability to utilize steam is what sets Miele apart. You can add up to 3 bursts to improve the flavor and texture of your roast or harden the tops of your food like lasagna. It also includes 15 bread baking modes so you can cook your sourdough automatically. A speed oven with microwave and convection and warming drawer replace the side ovens. However, there is no all-gas option in a Miele. Remember, the BTUs on the cooktop are lower, with 19,500 on the front and only 12,000 on the back burners, lower than all their competitors. Plus, Miele is only available in stainless steel. Next up, SKS. Their cooktop has good output, with burners reaching 23,000 BTU and 15,000 in the back. 2 burners can also simmer at a super low 100 BTU. For dual fuel, you get a choice: a model with 6 burners and a griddle, or a model with an induction cooktop and built-in sous vide. Sous vide is an interesting cooking technique, achieving almost perfect doneness using water immersion. The food even maintains its color after you reheat it. Induction burners are more efficient and outperform gas in speed and simmer while being easy to clean and vent. The range also features swipe controls similar to your smartphone. However, there are no built-in guided cooking programs. The SKS Combi Steam Oven offers steam, convection, or a combination of both. Steam is the healthiest, most nutritious way to cook. In gas ovens, you have European convection, blowing from the back for more even heat. SKS and BlueStar are the only brands with pure convection in all gas models. SKS is a bold new range with good output and steam functionality, but lacks color options like many on this list and doesn't have a grill option on the top. Let's move to Thermador. They offer two distinct series, the Pro Grand and Pro Harmony. Now, Pro Grand is the premium option with features like self-cleaning in all gas models, plus steam ovens and warming drawers in the larger dual fuel types. The Pro Harmony, however, is designed to sit flush with standard cabinets, while the Pro Grand will protrude. Both series feature Thermador's signature star-shaped burners designed for more even heat distribution and a precise 100-degree simmer on two burners. Pro Harmony cooktop has burners that reach 18,000 BTU with half at 18 and the rest at 15,000 BTU. The Pro Grand will have one burner rated at 22,000 BTUs. In new few models, the Pro Grand will feature a steam oven or regular oven. Like I said, cooking with steam or added moisture is a more nutritious and flavorful way to cook. There are no guided cooking programs built in. Smart features are limited. Both series offer those unique star-shaped burners. However, Thermador only offers limited options in the cooktop with just a slower electric griddle and single convection in the oven instead of a dual convection like, say, a Miele or a Wolf. Monogram's cooktop has one 23,000 BTU burner, one 21,000, and two 15,000 BTU brass burners. Their top-tier dual-fuel model includes Heston Q technology, providing step-by-step recipe guidance and precise temperature control. Monogram's Smart Range integrated with their Smart HQ app, connecting to various recipe platforms. The dual-fuel models feature a 7-inch articulating LCD screen like Wolf and BlueStar. The all-gas model uses standard clock and timer controls. Both dual-fuel and all-gas models have the same high-output brass burner cooktops. You can customize the knob accent lighting via the Monogram app. Both the dual-fuel and all-gas models offer an infrared grill and griddle. You can set the griddle by temperature, unlike the others on this list. Monogram is smart looking with brass accents, but it's unavailable in just stainless steel like the others I mentioned, and has limited options in a 48-inch size, which is 4 burners and grill and griddle. So there you have it. Thorough review of the best 48-inch Pro ranges. Now it's your turn. Which range caught your eye? And what's the most important feature to you? Leave a comment below. If you could, share this video with anyone considering a Pro range, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you want to learn more about the best appliance brands for this year, click this video, and thanks for watching.